Hello everyone. Today, we show you the drop test of Generalscan wearable Bluetooth scanners. The scanner we use in test is R1120 Thumbutton scanner, a laser Bluetooth scanner. In the test, we use a height-adjustable semi-automatic drop test machine. We set the drop height to 1.5 meters. The falling ground is a marble tile with the length and width of 800 mm and a thickness of 20 mm. Its hardness is 3.5 mhos. We fix the R1120 scanner in the fixing clip of the drop tester, then press the release button, and the scanner will automatically drop onto the marble tile. We sequentially fix the 6 sides of the scanner in a drop test clips, and then perform 100 drop tests at each angle. Here shows the scanner falling from different angles. We can see that the scanner is in free fall due to gravity, falling on the marble tile, and then constantly bounces and rolls. After 100 drops of each angle, Generalscan scanners have withstood the ordeal, entirely because of the newly designed scanner structure. The thickened housing and internal metal frame protect the scan engine and mainboard at the same time. We can see that although the housing itself has been greatly impacted, the housing is still intact. The laser engine and the trigger button still work normally. This is the data and report of the test. The main body of the scanner has been dropped 100 times, and all functions are in good condition. When the drops reach 200, the battery housing and the LED indicator are both damaged. When dropped 480 times, the battery was damaged, causing the scanner fail to power on. When dropped 500 times, the engine ZIF connector is damaged, causing the scanner not work. We will continue to improve the quality of our products. Customer satisfaction is the constant aim of us Generalscan. Thank you for watching.
Generalscan. Scan mobile world, decode creative future.